routine stop turned into a gunfight within seconds. On March 25, 2026, a Houston police officer responded to a 911 call reporting an armed man walking near a school, carrying a handgun hidden inside a pink purse. What happened next was captured on dashcam. As the officer confronted the man, later identified as Atef Mohammed Al-Quda, he repeatedly commanded him to drop the purse. The suspect refused to comply. Within seconds, investigators say suspect suddenly pulled a handgun from inside the purse, pointed it directly at the officer, and opened fire. The officer immediately returned fire. A close-range gun battle erupted in the middle of the street as the officer used his patrol vehicle for cover while exchanging gunfire with the suspect. The suspect then fled from the scene toward a nearby apartment complex while the officer pursued him. Here is the body cam footage from the officer's perspective.
Drop the bag! Drop the bag! 1713 making contact. Drop the bag! Drop the bag! Drop the bag! Drop the bag, sir! Drop the bag! Drop the bag! Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired! Stop! I'm in an apartment complex. Suspect's down. Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! I'm in an apartment complex just north of my vehicle. Suspect's down. Turn around. Hey, come inside the gate. I'm in front of the red truck. Fuck. I got shot at, Sergeant. I'm over here, I'm over here. ¿Cuál es el apartamento este? Los nombres. Cedar Glen Apartments, apartment number 13. Hey, he had a gun on me, bro. He ran this way. Cedar Glen Apartments. No, not yet. Get it over here, bro. Yeah, he had a gun, bro. Where is it? He ran through these woods right here. He ran. inside these little trees. Check that shed. Trying to get applied. I fired. I got a holster, bro. He dropped the gun.
Where you dropping at?
He ran through here. Hey, walk this aisle through inside the tree behind the shed. Check the truck and the.
You okay?
No, I'm good. I think I felt something, but I'm good.
Hey.
Hey. Okay, all right. Hey, you got him right here, bro? All right. Got a magazine right there. He ran through here. Fuck. Here's the gun over there.
The entrance.
Can advise if shots were fired?
Shot him?
Apartment complex?
1714 negative, suspect detained. You got HFD en route?
There's no officers. Okay.
1714, let me get HFD en route.
A passerby also captured cell phone video showing part of the gunfight between the officer and the suspect. The video appears to show the suspect running from the scene while the officer continued the pursuit. After the shooting, officers immediately began rendering first aid to the suspect until Houston fire and rescue personnel arrived on scene. Despite life-saving efforts, the suspect was pronounced deceased at the scene. From a tactical perspective, this was an extremely fast-evolving, close-range armed encounter with very little reaction time once the firearm was produced. The presence of nearby schools and children likely elevated the urgency of the situation and increased the danger responding officers were forced to confront. Legally, use of force cases are generally evaluated under the U.S. Supreme Court ruling in Graham v. Connor, which states that police use of force must be judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on scene, rather than with hindsight. Another key ruling, Tennessee v. Garner, permits deadly force when officers reasonably believe a suspect poses an immediate threat of death or serious bodily harm to officers or others. Under Texas law, officers are also authorized to use deadly force when they reasonably believe it is immediately necessary to protect themselves or others against deadly force. According to investigators and the publicly released footage, authorities say the suspect fired first during the encounter. Before we wrap up, I want to sincerely thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you appreciate this type of content and analysis, please consider subscribing and supporting the channel. Until next time, stay aware, stay safe, and God bless. This is Texas Safety Watch.